Buying a used Mercedes can either be one of the smartest financial decisions you make, or the fastest way to turn a dream car into a mechanical nightmare. The badge alone doesn't guarantee reliability. What really matters is the generation, the engine code, the transmission, and how that specific platform behaves after 100,000 kilometers. In this video, you're going to learn which 6 Mercedes models mechanics actually recommend when someone wants solid engineering without unpredictable repair bills. And stay with me until the end, because after we go through the safe choices, I'll also explain which types of Mercedes you should avoid if you don't want to risk a 4-figure repair surprise. The first model is the Mercedes-Benz MLW166, produced between 2012 and 2015. This is one of the SUVs mechanics often describe as a corrected generation because it fixed many of the reliability issues seen in the earlier ML. The most recommended versions use the 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine or the 3.0-liter V6 diesel, both paired with the 7G tronic automatic transmission. The 3.5 V6 produces around 302 horsepower and does 0 to 100 kilometers per h in about 7.6 seconds. But the real value here is not performance, it's durability. With oil changes every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers and proper cooling system maintenance, these engines regularly surpass 200,000 kilometers without major internal failures. The 7G tronic gearbox is mechanically mature and widely serviced, which keeps long-term repair risk under control. However, there are important attention points. Many units come equipped with airmatic air suspension. When maintained, it works well, but neglected air struts or a failing compressor can quickly become a 4-figure repair. Before buying, check ride height consistency, listen for compressor noise, and scan for stored suspension fault codes. Also inspect for oil leaks around the oil cooler seals and confirm full transmission service history. When properly maintained, the MLW166 is considered one of the safest large Mercedes SUVs to own after warranty, especially compared to more complex newer generations. The second model is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205, specifically from 2015 to 2018. With the 2.0-liter turbocharged M274 engine paired with the 9G tronic automatic transmission. This configuration produces around 241 horsepower in the C300 and reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per h in about 6.0 seconds. But the real reason mechanics recommend this version is not speed. It's the balance between modern technology and mechanical durability. The 9G tronic gearbox is significantly more refined than earlier transmissions and has proven reliable when serviced correctly. The M274 2.0 turbo engine is far more consistent than the smaller 1.6 variants. With oil changes every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers and proper cooling system maintenance, many units exceed 200,000 kilometers without internal engine failure. The transmission, when serviced at proper intervals, does not present chronic structural issues. This makes it one of the safer modern Mercedes platforms after warranty. Known issues include engine mount wear, occasional sensor failures, and carbon buildup due to direct injection. Some early units reported wrist pin noise, but widespread catastrophic failures are not common in well-maintained examples. Before buying, check cold start behavior, confirm full service records, and scan for hidden fault codes. When maintained properly, the W205 2.0T is considered one of the most rational and financially controlled Mercedes purchases in the used market. The third model is the Mercedes-Benz GLA250 X156, produced between 2015 and 2019, equipped with the 2.0-liter turbocharged M270 engine and the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This setup delivers around 208 horsepower and reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per h in approximately 7.1 seconds. What makes this model attractive to mechanics is the shared platform with other compact Mercedes models, which improves parts availability and reduces diagnostic complexity compared to larger SUVs. The 2.0 turbo engine has a solid durability record when oil changes are done strictly every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. It does not suffer from chronic internal failures when properly maintained. The main mechanical attention point is the 7GDCT dual-clutch transmission. It requires fluid and filter changes at correct intervals. Units that skip transmission service tend to develop shifting hesitation or clutch wear earlier than expected. Properly serviced examples can surpass 180,000 kilometers without major drivetrain repairs. Before buying, confirm documented transmission maintenance, check for smooth low-speed engagement, and scan for stored gearbox adaptation faults. Inspect engine mounts and cooling components as preventive measures. When maintained correctly, the GLA250 X156 offers controlled ownership costs and lower financial risk compared to heavier and more complex Mercedes SUVs. Next on the list is the Mercedes-Benz CLS W218, built between 2012 and 2018, especially with the 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine or the 3.0-liter V6 diesel, both paired with the 7G tronic automatic transmission. Power sits around 302 horsepower in the 3.5 V6, with 0 to 100 kilometers per h in roughly 6.4 seconds. But what really matters here is the mechanical foundation. This car shares much of its structure with the E-Class platform of the same era, which means mature engineering and systems that independent workshops already understand very well. These naturally aspirated V6 engines have a strong record for long-term durability. When oil services are done every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers and the cooling system is maintained properly, it's common to see units exceed 220,000 to 250,000 kilometers without internal engine work. The 7G tronic transmission, at this stage, was already a refined and widely serviced gearbox, which reduces the risk of unexpected mechanical surprises. Attention points are predictable and manageable. Oil cooler seals can leak with age. Suspension bushings wear over time, and neglected transmission fluid can cause shift delays. Before buying, inspect for oil residue under the engine, confirm documented gearbox service, and perform a full electronic scan. A well-maintained CLS W218 delivers executive-level engineering without the extreme financial exposure of newer, more complex generations. Now let's move to the Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, produced between 2008 and 2014. Especially with the later 2.0-liter turbo engines or the naturally aspirated V6 versions paired with the 7G tronic automatic transmission. Power varies from around 156 to just over 300 horsepower depending on configuration. But what makes this car important is not the numbers, it's the mechanical maturity of the platform. By this stage, Mercedes had already corrected many early production issues. This generation built a strong reputation in independent workshops because it is mechanically predictable. With oil changes kept between 8,000 and 10,000 kilometers and proper cooling system maintenance, it's common to see units exceed 250,000 kilometers without internal engine failure. The 7G tronic transmission in these later years is well understood and widely serviced, which reduces the risk of unexpected high repair bills. Known issues are manageable. Some early direct injection engines can develop timing chain noise if maintenance was neglected, and suspension components wear with mileage. Before buying, listen carefully at cold start. confirm complete service records, and verify transmission fluid history. A well-maintained W204 is often considered one of the most financially rational used Mercedes choices available. Buying a used Mercedes does not have to be a financial risk if you focus on proven engines like the 3.5 V6, 3.0 V6 diesel, and the 2.0 Turbo M274, combined with mature transmissions such as the 7G tronic and 9G tronic. These platforms have already demonstrated durability beyond 200,000 kilometers when properly maintained. What protects your money is not the badge, but documented service history, disciplined oil changes, and transmission maintenance done on time. What should be avoided are neglected units, complex first-year redesigns, and cars with incomplete maintenance records. Skipped services and ignored suspension or transmission warnings are what create four-figure repair surprises. A Mercedes can be a rational long-term purchase, but only when the decision is based on mechanical history, not emotion. Comment below with the model, engine, and mileage you're considering, and let's evaluate the real risk.